test, test. Hello, Sydney! Oh, now when I say Sydney, I want you guys to make as much noise as possible. Ready? Hello, Sydney! One more time. Hello, Sydney! Are you guys ready for a show? We've got less than 5 minutes to go as we welcome the year of the snake, the Lunar New Year here in Darling Harbour. Now remember, we want to show the world how good this Lunar New Year celebration is. So remember to please tag Darling Harbour on the Instagram and the Facebook so we can see all those videos. And also, we are Jetpack Entertainment. It is exciting to be back here in Darling Harbour to celebrate the Lunar New Year with us. So if you do have the Instagram and the social media, we're Jetpack Entertainment on them. So please follow us and tag us. So once again, Sydney, are you ready for a show? I did not hear you. Are you ready for a show? 2 minutes to go. These guys are going to get out there. They're going to go high, they're going to go fast, and they're going to go even some backflips and stuff. So the louder you are, the higher these guys will go. So Sydney, we're going to do a sound check. Ready? On the count of 3, I want to hear you guys make as much noise. No, actually, on the count of 3, I want to hear everybody say Sydney. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, not bad. One more time. 1, 2, 3, Sydney! 3 minutes to go. Remember, we've got 2 more shows tonight at 7:45, and of course our fireworks spectacular, thanks to Birdie Fireworks and Place Baking New South Wales. That is on at 9 PM, so make sure you stick around. These jetpacks will be setting some fireworks off. We want to see who your favourite lion is as well. Do you guys like the red one? Make some noise. If you guys like the yellow one, make some noise. If you guys like the guy in the middle, make some noise. Alright, Sydney, the time has come. Are you ready? Sydney, we're going to go to radio silence. We want you to help us count down to the soundtrack. Here we go, Sydney. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
5, 4, 3, 2,
1, Sydney! Sydney, make some noise! Jetpack Entertainment. They'll come along all the way up and down the foreshore so you guys can grab a photo, grab a selfie, and remember to tag Darling Harbour as we show the world how to welcome Lunar New Year. Sydney, on the count of 3, make some noise. 1, 2, 3! in Sydney. We're about to turn things up a little bit more. Grab those photos and make sure you stick them up on the social media. We want to see all those photos right here in Darling Harbour, Sydney. Sydney, I want to hear some noise on the count of three. 1, 2, 3! Jetpacks up in the air. Sydney, make some noise for our jetpack team. Jetpack Lion team, welcome to the Year of the Snake here in Darling Harbour. Alrighty Sydney, it is time to turn this show up a little bit. We're going to get these guys to take those lion heads off, and then we're going to get up and do some backflips and tricks. So Sydney, on the count of 3, make some noise. 1, 2, 3! Let's hit up a little more. We're going to get all 3 of these jetpacks up in the air. We're going to show you a little bit of how jetpacks work. So if you're wondering what it is, the jet is just a lot of water up in the air, keeping inside of the pure by water pressure. We're going to show you some tricks that will do. Sydney, give a big wave! Alright, our first move we do is just a big sidewinder. They're going to throw a lot of water out. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up and throw some water. Nicely done. Alright, second move we're going to do is a Superman. There's when you fly straight in the air. Get ready. Here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Superman. Sydney, do you want to see a backflip? Here we go, Sydney, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, backflip! One more backflip, here we go, 5, 4, shoulders. The next 30 seconds, they're going to go hard, they're going to go fast, and you guys go help us decide which one is the best. So guys, here we go. Your competition starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, nice and sound. Red guy in the middle. You guys back to the nicely done. They're going through competition mode. Decide who you think was the better jetpack. If you think the red one in the left makes the noise, if you think the one in the middle makes the noise, and if you think the yellow one makes the noise, one more time. We're going to see one more match left together, Sydney. And I want to move you all stand with me, right? What we're going to do, we're all going to say one more hit, one more hit, one more hit. Here we go. It's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back left. Sydney, welcome to Darling Harbour. You got jetpack entertainment. We're not finished yet. We've got 2 more shows tonight. 7:45 and of course 9 p.m. with floating fireworks. So Sydney, one more time, please make some noise! Just do not get out of the air. I think you're enjoying it. Are you enjoying it? These guys do another backflip together. Let me count me out to me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, flip. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, flip. Right. Sydney, please make some noise. Over him, he's reaching back. In the middle, Dylan the crown. Down the right, we'll see you again at 7:45 and 9 o'clock. Sydney, one more time, please make some noise for our jetpack team. We'll be back at 7:45 and 9 o'clock.
然后在7点45还有一个。